Hello drone racers, I'm Mark, and today on Drone Racer 101 you're going to get the first peek at maybe a new format, and we're going to announce a giveaway, and we're going to look at a couple ridiculous discounts. So here's the problem with this format. It's a whole lot harder to cut because as soon as I do and I mess something up, you're going to know it because I'm on screen, and it's going to be a lot harder for me to record. So you're going to have to bear with me while I get used to it. But in this area, I have a private bathroom back there. I'm gonna build out book storage so I can put all my stuff on. I'm probably not gonna do a drone wall. Maybe I'll do the drone wall here where you can't see it. But I need room to store stuff because there's stuff everywhere in here. So as soon as I get this done, we'll be back to normal. I'm working on it as fast as I can. For the Gearbest giveaway, they've just started another round. There are a couple more discounts we want to take a look at real quick, and then we will announce the winner. Are you still there? You skipped, right? No, you didn't skip? Okay, here, look at this. So they've done another one of these pages just like the last time, and there's a bunch of stuff on here, and there are some deals, and there's some stuff about like last time. It looks pretty much the same. Here, though, there are some RC deals that are similar to what we did a couple weeks ago, actually just a week ago, and there are a couple of good deals here. Mostly it's a lot of the same types of things that we've looked at, so we don't need to go through all of them, but a couple I want to point out that I have called out on my discount spreadsheet, of which there are 18 people looking at the moment. First, we have the Fat Shark Attitudes for $227. This is the best price I've ever seen. Now it says $239. You have to use the discount code. This discount code, there are two Gearbest discount codes right now. GB5 off, which seems to work on everything, even if it's already discounted. So I've got that, apply that to everything. But first, try this GB mid-year 2018. I haven't found that to work in a lot of scenarios, but it's a bigger discount. It's 10%, I think. So it's supposed to work across the board on all categories. This GB5 off is just RC stuff. So try this first. If it doesn't work, try this. So $227 for these attitudes. That's so cheap at this point. I've got to get mine back out and try them again because that's just a crazy deal. Then we also have the Hellfire X215 Pro for $142, which is a little more than I like to spend on these in a lot of cases, but I've seen other reviews of this and this thing rips. I'm trying to get the RunCam Split Mini in it. I'm gonna have to do a little 3D printing to make that happen, but I'm trying to do. And then one more, the X215 Pro S. The X215 was one of the best drones of last year. For the price, it was a great deal. This is actually the one with the built-in DVR stack, so you can record on it. It needed a little wiring, but for that price, for $109, so I don't think I've said this before, but really what I figured out is buying from Gearbest is like buying from Harbor Freight. Do you have Harbor Freight? You guys in the US, you probably know what I'm talking about. Harbor Freight doesn't have the top line components in a lot of cases. They have a couple good things, but most of the time you go there and you know what you're getting, but you're getting such a good value, you're willing to take the risk. I bought a circular saw from Harbor Freight. I'm not a professional woodworker. If I was, I wouldn't buy one from Harbor Freight. I need to cut a 2x4 every now and then. Harbor Freight's great for that. This is kind of the same deal. You get such good value for components in this, and the frame is really good. These motors have been good for what I've used them for. And the stack, once you rework it just a little bit, I think Andy RC has a video for that. You should probably check that out if you buy one of these. It's been a good drone, and for $109, no wait, for $104, that's a pretty good deal. So there's some more stuff on here, but I'm trying to keep this quick. So check out anything else that you want. I wish they'd have better deals on these Show Me drones. I love this thing. I did a review of that thing. It's great for the price. Okay, if you're here just for the giveaway, it's time to come back, skip forward, pause now. Now is the time. Now is we're gonna do the giveaway if you've skipped all of that part. Okay, are you here? You're back? All right, let's go. So what I did is use one of these websites that goes and reads all the YouTube comments and randomly picks a winner. It's supposed to remove duplicates, so we should be good to go. And we're gonna hit start, and we're gonna go. The winner is, come on, you see your name through that, scroll through there already? Drone Lovers FPV, I like it. He says, I really need this one because of the friends I have over. Hope I win this sweet quad. Big hug, Mark. Yeah, I got a hug from Drone Lovers FPV. And he did leave a link, which was one of the requirements in the comments, so I'm glad I didn't have to filter through and worry about someone who didn't actually follow the rules winning, so we're good in that case. And he linked the wine whiskey bottle tops. I love these. A whole bunch of people linked these, and I think they're really cool. People said I could use this to lock up for my kids, but I would need too many of them at $4 each. $4 each. I'd go broke. I'd go broke with all my liquor that I've got over there, but that's not what the point of this is. We've seen that in a couple videos. My E13, that review that I didn't like, that didn't go well, it almost broke one of my bottles. If you didn't see this, I've got it linked down below too. I think it's pretty awesome, and I might have to order a couple just for fun. And what he won is the XJB-145, which is now out of stock. They have a couple kinds still available. I hope they set one aside for me. If not, we'll work it out. We'll definitely have one. It's a new model. I think they've just updated these, so there's probably another link. I mean, that's what I'm gonna go with. But if you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below and let me know what you think of the new format. I mean, this is not set in stone at all. This is stuff I've thrown together in order to get a video recorded because there's been nothing this week. I hope to fix that this afternoon. So until next time, remember, what do I do with my hat?